Let us be completely honest with each other for a second. Heels are fabulous until they are not. And at 50 and beyond, we have absolutely earned the right to choose comfort and still look incredibly chic doing it. So if you have ever asked yourself, can I really look elegant without heels? The answer is a big, bold, stylish yes. Welcome to Timeless Ebony Queens, the destination for Black women over 50 who refuse to be invisible. Here's a controversial truth before we even begin. Heels were never really about elegance. They were about pain disguised as beauty. And somewhere along the way, we were convinced that suffering was the price of looking put together. It was never true, and today I am proving it with 7 outfit ideas that show flat shoes can be just as polished, just as feminine, and just as fabulous as anything with a heel. Whether you love loafers, ballet flats, sleek sneakers, or beautiful flat boots, there is something in this video for you. No stilettos required, just pure style, confidence, and the kind of comfort a woman of your caliber has absolutely earned. Stay with me because tip number 5 is the one that is going to completely change your relationship with flat shoes. You do not want to miss that one. Let's get into all 7. Tip number 1, master the ballet flat with tailored trousers. The biggest mistake most women make with ballet flats is thinking they look too casual for a sophisticated outfit. But styled correctly, ballet flats create an effortlessly elegant look that is pure European chic, and the secret is entirely in the pairing. Choose nude or black leather ballet flats with a slightly pointed toe, because that gentle point is what gives the flat its elegance and creates a longer, leaner line at the foot. Pair them with charcoal straight leg trousers that end about an inch above your ankle bone. And that ankle length hem is everything here. It creates a clean, unbroken line that makes your legs look longer while keeping you completely comfortable. Add a cream silk blouse tucked in at the waist with a thin cognac leather belt, because the tuck and the belt together define your waist and give the whole look shape. Finish with a structured blazer in navy or camel, worn open. Every single element here is working together to create that effortlessness that never goes out of style at any age. If you are already loving these ideas, drop a comment telling me where you are watching from today. We have sisters all over the world tuning into this channel, and I genuinely love hearing from every single one of you. Tip number 2, elevate loafers with the perfect midi dress. A lot of women avoid loafers because they think they look too masculine, and I understand that concern completely. But here's what elegant women have known and mastered for decades. When you pair a structured loafer with the right flowing feminine dress, something extraordinary happens between those two elements. The structured shoe grounds the feminine dress, and the flowing fabric softens the strength of the loafer, and together they create something perfectly balanced and completely sophisticated. Choose leather loafers in rich black or warm brown. Pair them with a midi dress in ponte knit or wool crepe, hitting mid-calf with some structure to it. Wrap dress styles and fit and flare silhouettes work especially beautifully here. Complete the look with a cashmere cardigan or a structured blazer worn open over the dress. Add a structured handbag and keep your jewelry minimal and refined. Stay within your neutral palette for color. A navy dress with cognac loafers, a cream dress with black loafers. These combinations read as deeply intentional and polished. If you haven't subscribed to Timeless Ebony Queens yet, now is the moment. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. We are here every single week for Black women who are 50, 60, and beyond, and still showing up in full style and full confidence. Tip number 3, transform white sneakers into sophistication. The trick with white sneakers is knowing how to style them so they look completely intentional rather than like you simply forgot to change your shoes. Treat your white sneakers exactly like you would any other sophisticated shoe and build an elevated outfit around them. When your sneakers are the most casual piece in an otherwise refined ensemble, they read as a deliberate style choice, not an afterthought. Start with premium white leather sneakers in excellent, clean condition. This matters more than anything because a dirty or worn down sneaker undoes every other effort you make. Pair them with wide leg trousers in a luxurious fabric like quality wool or heavy crepe. Choose rich neutrals like deep navy, charcoal, or warm cream. Add a fitted cashmere sweater or a silk blouse tucked in. Layer with a long line blazer or an open coat. Finish with a structured leather handbag and delicate jewelry. The sneaker becomes the unexpected, stylish contrast that makes the whole thing feel modern and current rather than dated. This works beautifully for weekend lunches or any day you want to look genuinely pulled together while your feet feel completely free. Tip number 4, make slip-on mules look luxuriously effortless. Mules are having a genuine moment, and for very good reason. They're incredibly comfortable, they slip on in seconds, and they carry an effortless elegance that no other shoe quite replicates. Choose leather mules in black, nude, or cognac with a slight block base. Pair them with cropped straight-leg jeans in a dark wash, tailored and ending just above the ankle bone, because that length is critical. It shows off the elegant line of the mule and creates a clean, refined silhouette. Add a striped boat neck top for that effortless coastal energy. Layer with an open cream blazer or a lightweight structured jacket. Carry a structured tote and add simple gold jewelry to keep everything polished and intentional. The mule becomes the unexpected, stylish contrast that makes the whole thing feel modern and current rather than dated. This works beautifully for weekend lunches or any day you want to look genuinely pulled together while your feet feel completely free. Drop a comment right now and tell me which flat shoe is your personal favorite to style and where you're watching from today. I read every comment and I genuinely love hearing from this community. Tip number 5. And here it is, the tip that changes your entire relationship with flat shoes. Create drama with statement flat boots. This is the one most women have not fully explored, and once you do, it opens up an entirely new world of styling. Statement flat boots, whether ankle boots or knee-high styles, create an extraordinary level of sophistication when styled correctly. The key is choosing boots that make a statement through beautiful design rather than heel height, then building outfits that let them do exactly what they were made to do. For flat ankle boots, choose black or cognac leather with beautiful design details, buckles, fine stitching, interesting zippers, a clean architectural shape, because these details give the boot presence and intention. Pair them with skinny jeans or fitted trousers tucked into the boot. Add a flowing tunic-length top or a beautiful blouse. Layer with a structured coat or a long open cardigan. For flat knee-high boots, choose black or rich brown leather with a clean, elegant silhouette. Wear them with a midi skirt or a beautiful dress, making sure the hem hits just above where the boot ends, because that strip of visible hem creates a proportion that is deeply flattering. Add a fitted sweater on top and an open blazer or a soft long coat. The drama comes from great design, from beautiful proportions, and from the confidence of a woman who knows exactly what she's doing when she gets dressed. Your feet will thank you at the end of the day, and nobody in any room you walk into will be thinking about what is on your feet. They will be looking at you. Tip number 6. Perfect the art of sophisticated sandals. I know what some of you are thinking. Sandals seem too casual for a truly chic look, but the right sandals, styled with the right pieces, can look incredibly elegant, especially in warmer weather when you still want to look completely polished. Choose leather sandals in nude, black, or metallic tones with interesting straps or minimal embellishment. The quality of the material matters enormously here. Avoid anything too busy, too sparkly, or too casual looking. Pair them with a midi dress in a solid color or a subtle, elegant print. Wrap dresses in silk or jersey or fit and flare styles in quality cotton all work beautifully. Add a lightweight blazer, a soft open cardigan, or a kimono-style jacket over the dress. Finish with a structured handbag and delicate jewelry that complements the metal hardware of your sandal. When everything else in the outfit is elevated and intentional, nobody sees casual. They see sophisticated. They see a woman who has an eye for detail and knows exactly how to pull a look together. If these tips are helping you see your flat shoes in a completely new way, give this video a like right now. It genuinely helps more of our sisters find this channel. Tip number 7, and this is the most important tip of all, the foundation every previous tip is built on. The most important secret to looking chic in flat shoes is not about the shoes themselves, it's about your proportions and the way you carry yourself. When you remove heel height, proportion becomes everything. The right proportions make flat shoes look like an elegant, deliberate choice. The wrong proportions make even the most expensive flats look underwhelming. With ballet flats and loafers, always show a little ankle. That strip of skin between your hem and the top of your shoe creates a visual lightness and length that is incredibly flattering. With mules and sandals, aim for clean visual lines. With boots, make sure the proportion between your boot and your hemline creates a silhouette rather than swallowing you whole. But here's the element that matters more than any of these: your posture, your carriage, the way you walk into a room. Stand tall, shoulders back and down, chin level, arms relaxed. When you carry yourself with genuine confidence, flat shoes stop looking like a compromise. They start looking like a choice, a considered, refined, completely intentional choice. The most stylish women in the world wear flats constantly, not because they can't afford heels, but because they understand that true chic comes from confidence and from knowing yourself, not from heel height. Style evolves over time, but the confidence to embrace who you are, the wisdom to choose what actually serves you, the refined taste that comes from decades of living, those things only grow stronger, and they are the real foundation of elegance at any age. You don't need to sacrifice comfort to look sophisticated. These 7 looks prove it. Elegance and ease can absolutely coexist. You've earned the right to comfort without compromising your style, and every single step you take should feel as good as you look. So, there you have it, 7 ways to look incredibly chic after 50 without wearing a single heel, from the ballet flat with tailored trousers all the way to the powerful, simple truth about posture and proportion. Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these 7 tips is your favorite, and which flat shoe style makes you feel most like your most confident self. I want to hear your stories and celebrate your style with you, and tell me where you're watching from today. If you're not already part of this family, subscribe to Timeless Ebony Queens right now. We're here every single week for women who are 50, 60, and beyond, and still showing up beautifully in every room they walk into. See you in the next one.